Choosing between the Galaxy Book 6 Pro and the LG Gram Pro 16 is tougher than ever in 2026. One is a build quality masterpiece, while the other is impossibly light. In this video, I'm breaking down the performance, displays, and battery life to see which one actually earns your money. Watch until the end before you buy so you can see which laptop takes the win. If this helps, please hit that like button. Links for the best prices are in the description. When comparing the build quality and design of these two premium ultrabooks, we see a distinct clash of philosophies regarding what a 16-inch laptop should feel like in the hand. The Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro leans into a dense, luxurious aesthetic with its minimalist aluminum unibody construction. It mirrors the rigid, high-end feel of a MacBook, measuring an incredibly slim 11.9 mm. This thinness actually undercuts the Apple MacBook Air, yet the chassis remains remarkably stiff with almost no flex. In contrast, the LG Gram Pro 16 prioritizes lightness above all else. By utilizing a magnesium alloy rather than heavy aluminum, LG has managed to keep the weight down to a staggering 1.2 kg, making it significantly lighter than the 1.59 kg Samsung. While the LG's matte finish is excellent for resisting fingerprints, the trade-off for such extreme weight reduction is a bit of noticeable flex in the keyboard deck and lid when under pressure, though it still meets high durability standards. The approach to connectivity also highlights different priorities for the mobile professional. Samsung's ultra-thin profile necessitates a slightly more streamlined port selection, offering two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a single USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack. It is a capable setup, but one that might leave creators wishing for a built-in SD card reader. The LG Gram Pro 16, despite also being very thin at 12.8 mm, manages to be more generous. It provides an extra USB-A port, bringing the total to two, alongside its two USB 4-tier Thunderbolt ports and HDMI. This makes the LG a bit more dongle-free for those who still rely on various legacy peripherals, whereas the Samsung focuses on a sleeker, more futuristic integration of the most essential modern connections. When it comes to the sensory and tactile experience of these two 16-inch powerhouses, both offer two very different interpretations of premium computing. Starting with the displays, Samsung leverages its industry-leading screen technology to deliver a 16-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel that is, quite frankly, a visual feast. With a 2880 by 1800 resolution and a variable refresh rate that swings between 30 Hz and 120 Hz, it prioritizes ink-like blacks and vibrant color reproduction that hits 100% of the DCI-P3 gamut. The HDR peak brightness of 1000 nits makes it a dream for media consumption and high-end creative work. LG, on the other hand, opts for a 2560 by 1600 IPS panel on the Gram Pro 16. While it lacks the infinite contrast of Samsung's OLED, it counters with a higher 144 Hz variable refresh rate and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio that feels exceptionally roomy for spreadsheets and coding. It is a bright, sharp, and highly accurate screen in its own right, though it feels more like a high-end productivity tool than the cinematic canvas Samsung provides. The interaction points, the keyboard and trackpad reveal a significant design shift for Samsung this year. By removing the dedicated number pad, Samsung has centered the keyboard and expanded the speaker grills, resulting in a more balanced typing posture and a massive haptic trackpad that rivals the best in the industry for precision and gesture support. The keys themselves are low profile with short, snappy travel. LG maintains a more traditional approach by including a full numeric keypad, which is a massive boon for data entry specialists but does result in a slightly offset main typing area. The Gram's keys offer a bit more travel, though the chassis' extreme lightness leads to a softer, slightly more flexible typing deck compared to the rock-solid stability of the Samsung. LG's trackpad is large and responsive, but it lacks the sophisticated haptic feedback found on the Galaxy Book. On the audio and visual communication front, both laptops are well equipped for the modern era of remote work. Both feature full HD 1080p webcams bolstered by Windows Studio effects, allowing for AI-driven background blur, eye contact correction, and auto-framing. However, the audio experience is where Samsung takes a clear lead. The Galaxy Book 6 Pro's redesigned layout makes room for 4 upward-facing drivers that produce a rich, full sound with surprising bass for such a thin device. The LG Gram Pro 16 uses downward-firing stereo speakers that, while clear and loud enough for a standard meeting, tend to sound a bit thin and lack the low-end punch needed for an immersive movie-watching experience without headphones. Finally, battery life remains a heavyweight battle where both machines exceed expectations. The Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro utilizes a 78 watt-hour battery paired with the efficient Intel Panther Lake architecture to deliver nearly 20 hours of video playback. It is a true all-day machine that can comfortably stretch across 2 days of moderate office work. The LG Gram Pro 16, despite its lighter frame, houses a similar 77 watt-hour battery and utilizes the Intel Lunar Lake chip to squeeze out even more endurance, clocking in at over 21 hours in similar tests. Both laptops support 65-watt fast charging via USB-C, with LG being slightly faster to reach the 50% mark, though Samsung's overall efficiency ensures that neither user will be hunting for an outlet before the sun goes down. Under the hood, these two machines represent a fascinating generational shift in Intel's silicon strategy, with the Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro utilizing the 2026 Panther Lake architecture, while the LG Gram Pro 16 runs on the 2025 Lunar Lake platform. The Samsung is powered by the Intel Core Ultra X7 358H, a 16-core chip built on the cutting-edge 18A process. This processor is designed to bridge the gap between extreme efficiency and raw power, delivering high boost clocks up to 4.8 GHz that make short work of heavy multi-threaded workloads. In contrast, the LG Gram Pro 16 features the Intel Core Ultra 7258V, which focuses heavily on the performance per watt mantra of the Lunar Lake era. While its 8-core configuration is exceptionally snappy for daily productivity and remains incredibly cool under load, it naturally falls slightly behind the Samsung's newer architecture in pure multi-core benchmarks. This discrepancy in raw processing power translates directly into the creative editing experience. For creators working in Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, the Galaxy Book 6 Pro offers a more robust workstation-like feel in a portable body. The 16 cores of the Panther Lake chip, combined with 32 GB of fast DDR5 RAM, allow for smoother 4K timeline scrubbing and significantly faster render times, especially when dealing with complex effects or multiple video layers. The LG Gram Pro 16 is certainly no slouch in this department. The Arc 140V integrated graphics provide a substantial leap over previous generations, making it a perfectly viable choice for 4K video editing and high-resolution photo work on the go. However, users pushing professional-grade creative workloads will notice that the Samsung's newer 18A-based silicon handles sustained heavy lifting with more headroom. Gaming performance highlights perhaps the most dramatic leap in integrated graphics technology seen in recent years. The Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro debuts the Intel Arc B390 GPU featuring 12 Xe3 cores. This hardware, supported by XeSS 3 and multi-frame generation, pushes integrated graphics into territory once reserved for entry-level dedicated cards. In practical terms, this allows the Samsung to run demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 at playable frame rates on ultra settings when using AI upscaling, even reaching triple-digit frame rates in certain optimized scenarios. The LG Gram Pro 16, using the Arc 140V graphics, remains an excellent machine for esports titles and older AAA games, providing a smooth experience in games like Valorant or CS2. While the LG can handle moderate gaming far better than ultrabooks of the past, the Samsung's Xe3-based architecture represents a newer tier of graphical fidelity that makes it the more capable choice for those who want to game without a dedicated GPU. So, which one should you buy? If you need the absolute lightest 16-inch laptop for travel, the LG Gram Pro 16 is still king. But for most people, the Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro is the clear winner. Between that stunning OLED display, superior speakers, and the massive performance leap of the Panther Lake chip, it's just the more complete package.